Hello little friends. Welcome to Me You Draw. If you enjoy drawing, coloring, and magical stories, be sure to press the bell and follow our channel. Today, we will draw and color Mrs. Corgi from Peppa Pig. Now let's begin our fairy tale. Once upon a time in a peaceful seaside village, there lived a graceful corgi known as Mrs. Corgi. She wore a red and white striped dress, a matching sailor hat, and white shoes. Every morning she walked to the sailing club, greeting gentle waves and seabirds. Mrs. Corgi loved sailing on the calm sea with her dear friends, Grandpa Pig and Mr. Stallion. She was always eager to share advice and tell stories, sometimes bragging that she once scored a hole-in-one while playing golf. At parties, she would dance like a robot at the jukebox, showing off her unique style. Though charming, she could be a little fussy. She disliked noisy music at sea and would politely complain when her peaceful sailing was interrupted. One sunny day, Mrs. Corgi climbed aboard her little sailboat and set off for an adventure. Dolphins leapt beside her, and seagulls flew overhead as she glided across the waves. Soon, she reached a hidden island full of colorful flowers and shining seashells. In a clearing, she discovered a treasure chest overflowing with magical paint. Each color inside could dance, fly, and glow like morning sunshine. With joy in her heart, Mrs. Corgi dipped her brush into the colors and painted the sea, the sky, and her sailing adventures. Every stroke brought the village to life with bright, happy hues. When she returned home, she carried the magic with her. Children gathered around as she painted with gentle strokes, filling their hearts with wonder. From that day on, the seaside village felt even more cheerful whenever Mrs. Corgi arrived in her red and white dress. Her story reminds us that sharing kindness, embracing uniqueness, and coloring our dreams can make everyday life magical.